Imagine if today was the last day you had to change your life. Would you give it everything? Would you finally stop holding back? This moment right now could be the turning point, but only if you make it so. You see, today is all you have. Yesterday is a memory. Tomorrow is a promise that hasn't arrived. And while most people waste their lives looking backward or forward, success belongs to those who seize the present. If you gave today everything you've got, poured all your strength and focus into this single day, what would your life look like tomorrow? Now let's dive into why right now is the only time that matters, and how this simple truth separates those who achieve greatness from those who don't. Statistics show that 92% of people never achieve their goals because they spend too much time procrastinating or worrying about the future. According to a study by the University of Hertfordshire, people who focus on small, actionable steps are 42% more likely to succeed in their endeavors. And here's the truth: the past can't be changed, and the future is built on the foundation you lay today. The legendary author Eckhart Tolle, in his book The Power of Now, writes, "Realize deeply that the present moment is all you ever have. Make the now the primary focus of your life." But let's take this deeper. Have you ever considered how much energy you waste thinking about the things you can't control? And research shows that the average person spends 40% of their waking hours thinking about something other than what they're doing. That means almost half of your life could be slipping by unnoticed unless you take intentional action to focus on the now. Think about this. If you poured all your effort into today, not half of it, not most of it, but every ounce of your energy, what would happen? Here's what's incredible. Success compounds. Every focused effort you make today builds momentum for tomorrow. Imagine you're chopping down a tree. If you hit it once and walk away, nothing happens. But if you strike it with all your strength repeatedly, it falls. Today is that repeated strike, the one that gets you closer to success. It's important to understand that you're planting seeds every single day. You may not see the results immediately, but trust that consistency always pays off. John Maxwell said it best: "You will never change your life until you change something you do daily." And the secret of your success is found in your daily routine. So if you want to seize this day, you want to set clear priorities, ask yourself, what is the one thing I can do today that will move me closer to where I want to be in life? Focus on that. Take inspiration from Gary Keller's book, The One Thing, which emphasized the importance of identifying and focusing on the most impactful task. And by doing so, you eliminate unnecessary clutter and ensure your energy is directed where it matters most. And secondly, we want to eliminate distractions. Studies show that the average person spends 2 hours and 31 minutes on social media daily. That's time right there that you could invest in your dreams. Delete some apps, turn off notifications, and laser in on what matters. Here's a practical tip. You can start your day with a power hour, 60 minutes of uninterrupted minutes of focused effort on your highest priority task. This single habit can transform your life and your productivity. And thirdly, adopt the 10x rule. Grant Cardone, in his book, The 10x Rule, says, you must set targets that are 10 times what you think you want, and then do 10 times more what you think it will take to accomplish those targets. This teaches you to think big. And this doesn't mean overloading yourself, but rather putting in extraordinary effort into your top priorities. And when I first started out as a young entrepreneur, the 10x rule completely changed the way I think about business. Number 4, let's go over breaking it down. Overwhelm is the enemy of progress. If a task feels too big, break it into smaller, manageable pieces. Celebrate every small win because progress fuels your motivation. And the cost of wasting time. Here's a sobering thought. Every minute wasted is a minute you'll never get back. Imagine looking back 10 years from now, knowing you could have done more. Don't let regret steal your future. Jim Rohn once said that time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Every second wasted is a second you robbed from your own potential. And consider this, the average lifespan is 28,000 days. How many of those days have already passed? How many did you live fully? It's a humbling reminder that our time is finite. Make every moment matter. So use the present as a superpower. Focusing on the present moment is like unlocking a superpower. When you're fully present, your mind becomes sharper, your creativity flows, and you're able to tackle challenges with clarity and confidence. Athletes call this being in the zone. Entrepreneurs call it the flow state. Whatever you call it, it's where magic happens. And the key to getting there is simple. Commit to the now. Do not wait. The time will never be just right. Start where you stand. Napoleon Hill. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Robert Kiyosaki. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow is not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin. Mother Teresa. So today is all you have, and the only thing standing between you and the life you dream of is the decision to act now. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting for motivation. Just start. Pour your heart and soul into this day, because it's all you've got. Ask yourself, what am I willing to do right now that my future self will thank me for? Let this day be the day you gave it everything you got. And as the sun sets tonight, look back at today with pride, knowing that you didn't hold back, didn't make excuses, and didn't let distractions steal your focus. You lived fully, and because of that, your tomorrow will be brighter. And remember, today is all you have. Make it count. And that's it for this video. If this video somehow changed your life, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you soon.